Is your PlayStation stubbornly refusing to accept your card, stopping you from buying the new game or renewing your PlayStation Plus subscription? Let's fix it. First, double-check your billing information, head to Settings, then Users and Accounts, and finally Account. Now, select Account Information and then navigate to Wallet. Here's where you'll find payment methods. Select the card that's giving you trouble. Make absolutely sure the card number, expiration date, and CVV code are entered correctly. Even a small typo can cause issues. Next, and this is super important, verify that the billing address linked to your card exactly matches the address associated with your PlayStation account. Any discrepancies here are a red flag for the system. Region restrictions can also cause problems. Your card needs to be issued in the same country as your PlayStation account. If you've moved recently, you might need to create a new account or contact PlayStation support. Sometimes, the issue isn't on your end. PlayStation Network or your bank might be experiencing temporary outages. Check the PlayStation Network status page for any service alerts and contact your bank to rule out any blocks on the card. Finally, try using an alternative payment method like PayPal or a PlayStation Store gift card. If these work, it strongly suggests the problem lies specifically with your card. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps gets you back in the game. If you're still having issues, reaching out to PlayStation support is your best bet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PlayStation problem-solving tips.